comment, like, and subscribe. Alright, so this is just a really quick video. I'm working on the wife's G8. Basically it needs nothing. It's been a year and 3 months since I changed the oil in it, so I just changed the oil. I did a short video about that if you want to go check out my shorts and see that. And did an oil change, checked it out, checked spark plugs, everything's good. But while I had the opportunity, I took the wife out in the TT Coupe. She's never rode in the car, so of course I had to initiate her what 800 horsepower feels like on the street. So it's pretty funny. She's a trooper. I told her I was getting on a little bit, and she was like, okay, just don't hold it long. So hope you like these quick videos I'm putting together. No tech stuff on this one, just ride in the car. And coming soon will be these pretty boys right here going on it. Richard Holdener 800 series, equivalent to the 3584 GTX RS turbos. They are awesome. And they are 67 millimeter, 82 AR. And they're going to replace the 3582s I've got, which are like a 61 millimeter with the upgraded 82 housing I put on them. But also, I'm going to be changing the hot side. So in here are the Holley manifolds, which have a bigger 2.5. I got some new flex joints there, the T4 flanges, because that car currently has the T3 flanges. So going to a bigger flange, going to a bigger manifold with 2.5 pipes instead of 2 inch. Those are 2 inch. So it allows it to spool up really fast, but I'm pretty sure that's what's holding me back. Where once you get to 23 pounds of boost, it don't really make any more power. So maxed out 23 pounds, it made 830, and at 20 pounds, it made 800. So I'm hoping by increasing the hot side, going to bigger turbos, and then the exhaust goes from 3 to 2.5 to 3. I'm gonna have it straight 3. I feel like just doing that, this thing should pick up, I'm gonna estimate and guesstimate here, it's gonna pick up over 200 horsepower. So my goal is 1,000 horsepower with that car on E85, drive it anywhere just like you just saw me do, and then probably take it to the track, throw a number up, and then my next project over the winter will probably be putting power steering back on it, taking the manual rack off, putting an AC condenser in it, hooking up the air conditioning, and then getting the paint, you know, to my perfection. Then that'll be one of the nicest coupes you've ever seen. So if I don't sell it before then. So if you're interested, let me know. Once I finish the project, make 1,000, we can talk. Till then, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate all the subscribers. Talk to you soon.